digit of a number. How to find last digit of a number? We use the concept of cyclicity. So you need to remember this table. You need to remember this table. I have written all the digits from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you need to remember one number 142. Okay. So the rule number 1 is digits ending with 4. First we are concentrating on the last line. Digits ending with 4 and 9. See, 4 is to power 1 is 4. So I can say 4 is to power odd number will always end with 4. Suppose if I ask you 784 raised to power 345, what will be the last digit? So using this formula, you can say, okay, this is an odd number, 345. So this number will end with 4.
Oh, yeah.
And 4 raised to power 2 is 16. So we can generalize like 4 raised to power even number will end with 6.
6, yeah.
So like the last question 9994 raised to power 4444. This is an even number. So it will end with 6. So this will end with 6. Now let's concentrate on the rules number 2 that is concerned with digits ending with 9. Like 9 raised to power 1 is 9 is an odd number. So it will end with 9. So 9 raised to power 2 is 81. So we can generalize 9 raised to power even number will end with 1. Like I have taken two examples, like 789 raised to power 345. You can say, oh, 345 is an odd number. So this number will end with 9. And 999 raised to power 444. This is an even number. So 9 raised to power even number will end with 1. See how easily you can remember, like 9 raised to power 1 is an odd number, it will end with 9. 9 raised to power 2 is 81, it will end with 1. Now let's focus on digits ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. Digits ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. For this thing, you need to remember a few things like step 1 is divide the power by cyclicity. Let us consider this example 782 raised to power 384. Now 782 raised to power 34. See, last digit is 2 and the power is 34. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this power by 4 and go for remainder. 34 divided by 4, remainder is 2. So my answer will be last digit raised to power remainder. Now what is last digit? 2. So 2 raised to power 2, it will be 4. So this number will end with 4. Have a look at it if you are able to understand it. Now we are concentrating on the line number 2. 2 digits ending with 2, 3, 7, 8, where cyclicity is 4. Okay. We have to just divide the power by cyclicity. Like, let us see this question. 783 raised to power 45. So what is the last digit here? 3. So numbers ending with 3. Divide power by cyclicity. Divide 45 by 4. You get remainder as 1. So last digit will be last digit raised to power remainder. 3 raised to power 1 will be 3. Okay. In the same way, if the number is 787 raised to power 87, again, the number is ending with 7. So I will be dividing the power by cyclicity, that is 4. So 87 divided by 4, again, the remainder is 3. So my answer will be 7 raised to power 3, that is 343. So last digit will be 3. The number is like this. But now you have to, there is one catch in this formula. Suppose you get remainder 0. Suppose number is 783 raised to power 80. What is the remainder here? Remainder here is, if you divide 80 by 4, you're getting remainder as 0.
0, yeah.
So answer will be last digit raised to power remainder. Last digit is 3. Last digit is 3. Raised to power 0 is 1. So I can say if number is an odd number like 3 and 7, and if the remainder is 0, then the last digit will be 1.
1.
You have to keep this thing in mind. But if remainder is 0 and the last digit are 2 and 8, then there's one more thing, then remainder will be 6. This thing you have to remember. Okay, you have to remember this thing. Some students are entering in between. So, okay. So last digit will be 6. So you have to remember this thing. If remainder is 0 and for even number only. We have only two even number here, na? 2 and 8. Even number here are 2 and 8. For even number, last digit will be 6 if remainder is 0. The last two digits ending with 0, 1, 5, 6. The last digit will be unit digit itself. So I can say 7820 raised to power 80. It will end with 0.
0.
7821 raised to power 80. It will end with 1.
1.
Multiplied any number of times, you will get 1. 5. 7825. So this will end with 5.
5.
7826 raised to power 80. So this will
6.
end with 6. Okay. So now I'm sharing you certain questions. You have to solve these questions. 5 questions I am giving you. You people will just try to solve these questions. Okay. What is happening actually? Some students are joining in between.